Here comes Thomas. I'm the #1 engine. Whoa! All engines go! Coming through! Down the hills and round the wall! All engines go! Windmill woes! I'm winning! I'm winning! I'm winning! Not for long. Wait. Where are we racing? First one to the windmill is engine of the day. And it's gonna be me. Yeah, if your name is Diesel.
Watch your caboose, 'cause Percy's on the loose. Hey, where do cows get their news from? A newspaper. Hey, I can't see anything. Whoa!
Percy!
Phew! Ah! Whoa!
Percy, you're on my track. Are you trying to slow me down? Nice try. Coming under.
Hey!
Hope we don't hit the windmill.
Let's call the race a tie.
A tie? No way. I won. I smashed into the windmill first. Just be glad we didn't break the windmill. Okay, we just broke it a little.
Now, do we panic?
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What? Windmill blades? What in the world happened, boys?
We had a little accident.
Oh, my. Would anyone care to explain?
We gotta tell Gordon the truth, which is Thomas broke the windmill. What? The windmill breaking was an accident, but it was by you. Me? Huh. Wait a sec. Now that I think about it, it was Percy.
Huh? I'm too little to break things.
But Diesel's not. Me? It was both of you.
I agree. Diesel did it.
We had Thomas who...
Boys, I want to hear from all of you, one at a time. Let's start with Percy. So, what were you doing right before the windmill was damaged?
Well, this is my story of what happened earlier today, Gordon. So, we were racing when Thomas yelled, "First one to the windmill is engine of the day." I was winning, obviously, when we saw cows. So I told him a joke. Where do cows get their news from? A newspaper. Moo, moo, moo. That's how cows laugh. Uh-oh. A cow was laughing so hard, she rolled into the tracks. Look out for the cow. Then Diesel says, "Percy, you trying to slow me down?" Mwahahaha.
I did not evil laugh. In fact, none of that happened.
All right, slow down, Diesel, and tell me your side of the story.
This is my story of what happened. It all started when Thomas yelled, "First one to the windmill is going to be engine of the day, and it's going to be me." Yeah! Percy did tell his cow joke. Where do cows get their news from? A newspaper. But the cows didn't get the joke. They were so confused, they walked out onto the track. I saved Percy and the cow. I got it. Thomas said, "Diesel, what a hero." But I couldn't save his joke.
Huh.
As far as the windmill, well, it would still be in one piece if Thomas hadn't tried to slide under me.
Diesel, that's not true.
Yeah, my joke was great.
No. OK, well, your cow joke was great, but I'm talking about the story.
Let me guess. That's not how it happened?
Not even close. I remember it as if it only happened minutes ago. It started when I yelled, "First one to the windmill is engine of the day, and it's going to be me." Now, Percy did tell his joke. Where do cows get their news from? A moose paper. It was so funny, a cow ran onto the track to hear more. Ah! That's why Percy jumped in front of Diesel. Diesel became part of the problem when he tripped in front of me. I only slid under Diesel to avoid a huge, horrible collision.
That's not right.
All right. I've heard all your stories, and if I understand correctly, a laughing cow on Percy's track started this?
Yes, I'm definitely pretty sure.
But Diesel says it was a confused cow that started it.
Definitely.
Well, it wasn't me. Or not only me.
Now, was this cow that ran onto the tracks by any chance from those cows behind that fence?
That could be possible.
Is it possible, then, that it wasn't a cow on the tracks, but a tumbleweed?
Oh, yeah. It might have been that tumbleweed that made me jump on Diesel's track.
Aha! Just like I thought.
Maybe I did bump into Diesel because I was trying to be first to the windmill and not to avoid a crash.
Aha! Again! Just like I thought. Looks like my story's the only one that holds up. Mwahaha! I just evil laughed, didn't I? OK, I thought Percy was trying to cut me off, so I went up and over him to win. That's why I tripped.
Then I jumped to avoid the tumbleweed I should have seen coming.
And I tried to pass you.
And I tried to pass you, which is when we crashed.
And Percy's newspaper joke was pretty funny.
Thank you.
Good. Your three stories together make one story that makes sense. Thank you for telling the truth. But we still have one big problem.
We don't know who won the race?
Nobody won the race, Diesel. I'm talking about the broken windmill.
Oh, yeah.
No, guys, we have to fix the windmill. It pumps water to those thirsty cows. We can fix this together. I'll hook up to the windmill. Diesel, you pull me until it's back in place.
I'm on it like a frog on a log.
Perfect plan, Thomas. Percy, would you catch the windmill blades for us?
You got it. Back in a flash.
I'm going to call for extra help with a little copter cooler. Now it's time for Operation Windmill. Diesel, on my count of 3, we pull. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, perhaps I can lend a wheel. 1, 2, 3.
Thanks, Gordon. Now we need Percy to bring the rotor blades back.
Coming! And look out! Come back here, blades.
Thank you. And now we need to get the blades back up there somehow.
I got your signal, Thomas.
And just in time, Harold. We need help getting these windmill blades back in place so the cows can drink.
Copy that. You called the right copter. Whoa! But we may need more help.
Did somebody say more help? Never fear. Sandy and Carly are here.
Carly, lift up Sandy so she can guide the blades back into place.
Roger that.
accomplished. Over and out.
Thank you, Harold. And you do realize you fixed it just like you broke it. Together.
Agree. And the cows agree too. More or less. Get it? Because I moved the word more.
I guess they're just not in the mood for jokes.